Surpass Cloud Self-Check Station allows patrons to perform basic circulation functions themselves, freeing up library staff for other tasks. A self-check station can be a dedicated computer with a scanner, or a tablet that patrons can type information into. To set up self-check to meet your library's needs, go to Settings, Circulation, Self-Check. You can choose to allow patrons to perform different tasks, such as checking items out and in, renewing items, and viewing their account status. You can also determine the ways that patrons are allowed to log in. Self-check may be configured to require an authorized user to log in to start using it. It may also be limited to certain IP addresses to prevent unauthorized use. To prevent circulation functions, such as checking items in, from being performed outside the library, best practice is to select both of these settings. You can set an alert for checked-in items that need to be held for another patron. To prevent patrons scanning barcodes that are not from your library, or from typing barcode numbers in, check the box next to these options. You can also set self-check to automatically log out of a patron's record after 1 or more minutes of inactivity. Self-check can alert you if a printer has not been set up for receipts. If you haven't already set up a printer in Surpass Cloud Admin, the first time you go to Circulation, Transactions, you will be prompted to install a JS Print Manager app. Install the app and give Surpass Cloud permission to access the JS Print Manager site. There will be a box you can check so that you don't have to grant permission every time you access Circulation. You can set up your receipt printing preferences by going to Settings, Circulation, Receipts. You can choose to print, email, or both, and you can specify what information you want on the receipts. When you open your self-check site and log in, if you have the appropriate permissions, you can change the theme to dark or light mode by clicking the spinning gear, entering your password, and toggling the switch. Please contact Surpass Support if you have any questions or need further assistance. Thank you for watching.